Get ready to explore the wild like never before. From swamp-slaying ATVs to hovercrafts that glide over snow and ice, and massive 8x8 beasts built to conquer the toughest terrain, these vehicles are the ultimate adventure machines. Whether you're hunting, camping, or crossing rivers and mountains, these expedition-ready trucks, buses, and mobile homes redefine what off-road really means. Buckle up and join us as we dive into the most extreme, powerful, and jaw-dropping off-road vehicles. Fat Truck 8x8. The Fat Truck 8x8 wagon is an off-road powerhouse built to tackle the most extreme terrains with confidence. Its all-wheel drive, 8x8 configuration ensures unstoppable traction, while it can glide through water at up to 5 kilometers per hour and reach 40 kilometers per hour on land, handling slopes and descents of up to 35 degrees with ease. Driving is a one-of-a-kind experience, using a joystick in one hand and a handrail in the other, giving full control over this massive machine. Powered by a Cummins engine with 173 horsepower, it can carry up to 1,800 kilograms of cargo and seat up to 16 passengers comfortably. The Fat Truck 8x8 isn't just a vehicle, it's a mobile expedition fortress built for adventure. Torsus Praetorian. The Torsus Praetorian is the ultimate off-road bus built for places where roads simply don't exist, turning impossible terrain into a reachable destination. Imagine being stranded in the middle of nowhere, deep in wild forests where even seasoned off-roaders hesitate to go, and then this beast shows up like it owns the terrain. As the world's first heavy-duty 4x4 bus, it's engineered to conquer extreme environments with ease. Powered by a robust 290 horsepower MAN engine and offering 35 centimeters of ground clearance, it's ready for anything. With tough wheels and a semi-automatic transmission, it can even tackle water crossings up to 68 centimeters deep. Inside, it carries up to 35 passengers safely, each seat equipped with a seatbelt for those rough journeys. Starting at $250,000, this isn't just a bus, it's a true expedition machine. Trecol Arktika. The Trecol Arktika is a true off-road titan, hailed as the world's first 8-wheeled wheeled snowmobile capable of carrying massive loads. With a trailer payload of 4 tons and up to 5.5 tons in its home country of Russia, this beast isn't just for cargo. It can also transport up to 21 passengers in comfort. Powering this machine is a classic YAMZ 500.34 diesel engine with 125 horsepower, paired with a mechanical 5-speed gearbox, giving it the strength and reliability needed for extreme expeditions. Operating it requires a tractor driver's license, but once behind the wheel, you'll experience a combination of rugged capability and versatility rarely seen. At $171,000, the Trecol Arktika is a formidable choice for serious adventurers. Sputnik 12. The Sputnik 12 is a versatile air cushion vehicle built for adventures that demand speed and adaptability across any terrain. Whether it's land, shallow water, open water, or even gliding over frozen lakes, this hovercraft handles it all with ease. Perfect for hunting trips, fishing excursions, patrols, or rescue missions, it combines off-road capability with impressive speed, reaching up to 50 kilometers per hour on most surfaces and 70 kilometers per hour in deep snow. With a cargo capacity of 1.2 tons and seating for up to 12 passengers, the Sputnik 12 isn't just a vehicle. It's a multi-terrain expedition powerhouse ready for extreme conditions. Tourist ATV. The Tourist ATV terrain vehicle is built for explorers who refuse to be limited by terrain, thriving effortlessly in swamps, deep snow, and even shallow rivers without breaking a sweat. This beast comes equipped with all-wheel drive, delivering unstoppable traction no matter where the journey leads. What truly sets it apart is its surprisingly spacious cabin, capable of comfortably carrying up to 11 people, making it perfect for group expeditions. And it doesn't stop there. With an impressive payload capacity of 1.1 tons on solid ground, You can haul all the gear you need for serious adventures. Powering this machine is your choice of a 220 horsepower Toyota engine or a 120 horsepower Cummins engine, paired with either a manual or automatic transmission for full control. Starting at $65,600, this vehicle isn't just transport, it's your gateway to extreme exploration. BTH2 ATV. The BTH2 ATV is a true off-road marvel, engineered to tackle mud, snow, sand, swamps, and frozen lakes with ease. This all-terrain powerhouse comes with a full drive system, a 600 kilogram payload capacity, and 4 versatile configurations, including the Everest model with an aluminum cargo compartment, windows, and a cozy 2-seat cabin. Comfort isn't forgotten, featuring mosquito nets, pockets, and even a small table for long expeditions. Its differential screw locks distribute power evenly to all wheels, while lightweight Neva off-road axles and a sturdy pedestal frame boost toughness. Powered by up to 37 horsepower, the BTH2 is perfect for winter fishing or any extreme adventure, making off-road exploration effortless and reliable. MAN HX60. The MAN HX60, formerly known as the MAN 18.330, is a favorite for off-road enthusiasts looking to turn a rugged truck into a unique expedition vehicle. Its popularity comes from a strong military heritage and affordability, with models from 2008 and older often available in good condition despite high mileage. Equipped with a 326 horsepower diesel engine, 4-wheel drive locking differentials, a semi-automatic transmission, and ABS and ESP systems, the HX60 offers reliable performance on any terrain. Add a camping module, and you've got a versatile machine ready for wilderness adventures or off-road competitions, proving why every MAN enthusiast swears by its toughness and capability. Ural Next. The Ural Next is a rugged mobile home built for travel, hunting, or fishing adventures, blending off-road truck durability with military-grade technology and creature comforts. Inside, it offers 5 beds, full insulation, and a complete bathroom, all finished with warm birch plywood, while the exterior is crafted from tough galvanized steel. The living area sits high off the ground, accessible via a convenient ladder, and for outdoor relaxation, a remote-controlled retractable awning adds comfort on demand. With a price tag of $192,000, the Ural Next isn't just a vehicle, it's a self-contained expedition home ready to tackle the wildest terrains in style and comfort. The Bliss Mobile turns ordinary off-road trucks into fully equipped expedition motorhomes with innovative container-style modules. Ranging from 4 to 7 meters in length, these modules fit almost any truck, with the smallest designed for wheelbases between 3.2 and 3.8 meters, making them perfect for extreme off-road adventures. What sets Bliss Mobile apart is its low center of gravity, keeping the module stable and close to the truck's cab, while the specially designed 4-point diamond-shaped subframe delivers exceptional stability on rough terrain. Combining rugged capability with comfort, Bliss Mobile is the ultimate choice for explorers who want to tackle challenging trails without sacrificing home-like convenience. Camping Freedom Raptor 1050. The Camping Freedom Raptor 1050 is a pickup truck turned ultimate off-road camper with a smart, bolt-on aluminum module that requires no welding or modifications. Inside, you'll find faux leather and bamboo furniture, a compact kitchen, an 80-liter fresh water tank, and a 30-liter wastewater tank, all powered by 400-watt solar panels and 2-kilowatt batteries for true off-grid living. The 2025 model comes equipped with all-season tires, a 720 horsepower engine, and Fox Dual Live valve shock absorbers handling 454 kilograms of damping, making desert driving effortless. With built-in off-road driving modes, this vehicle is ready to tackle sand, mud, and rugged terrain, combining adventure, comfort, and self-sufficiency in one expedition-ready package. Expeditions Mobile Fire Truck. The Expeditions Mobile Fire Truck shows just how far creativity can take an old vehicle, turning a retired fire truck into the ultimate overland adventure machine. The team from the YouTube channel, The Real Life Guys, completely transformed it, testing it on the challenging sands of Tunisia, even without prior experience driving such a beast. Inside, it's a mobile home on wheels, featuring a shower, toilet, kitchen, and a cozy lounge area with a fireplace. It even has a bunk that comfortably sleeps 3, while the exterior upgrades include bright LED headlights and solar panels for off-grid power. This isn't just a fire truck, it's an expedition-ready home built for adventure and discovery. Ford E45 O School Bus. The Ford E45 O School Bus tells the story of a father who turned a simple school bus into a rugged off-road adventure machine for his growing family. When he discovered they were expecting a 4th child, he realized a pickup wouldn't cut it, so he searched for a Ford E45 O, and, after months, found the perfect bus. Over 8 months, he transformed it into a capable off-roader with 4-wheel drive, custom Ujo off-road springs, Fox dual shock absorbers, a reinforced bumper with winch, and Yokohama Geolandar XAT tires. Inside, a cozy bed makes family trips to the countryside comfortable and fun, proving that this bus isn't just transport, it's a home and adventure vehicle rolled into one.